What's up, YouTube? You know it's your boy Dirty D, and we back at it with another YouTube video. And as you can see, we have one side the GoPro Hero 7 white, and we also have on the other side the iPhone X10. So today we're going to be doing a comparison video on basically how they stack up against each other. One, of course, is in fisheye, which is GoPro, and then the other one is in linear, basically, so which is the iPhone X. So they will be giving you different type of videos, but we can still compare them and see which one's the better camera and whatever overall. I'll give you my preference at the end of the video, but majority of the video will be me commentating over the top of it because I'm just gonna let the cameras do the talking for it. So let's get into the video. I almost forgot, hit that like, comment, subscribe button. It'll be greatly appreciated by me, and I thank you for sitting here and watching this video because I know y'all want to see the difference between these two monsters. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video now. In the first test we had, it was the ideal lighting test. Right off the bat, I could notice that the GoPro was much wider and much, you can see the car further around than on the iPhone and the linear camera. On this test, I'm gonna have to give it to the GoPro, just because you can pretty much see the entire car all the way through the video. Whereas on the iPhone, you really couldn't. You would have had to do some work, or you would have had to step back to be able to see the entire car. But the GoPro literally saw it up close, and as close as you wanted to get to it. So I'm gonna have to give it to the GoPro on the first one. Alright, now in the dark lighting situations, on the first one, you can actually really tell a big difference between how the iPhone and the GoPro handle the light situation, like the lights off the poles. The GoPro looked like it was struggling with it, and it was like very, very dark on the screen. Maybe that's because of a very sensitive camera, or I don't know what it is, but it was not handling it well at all. So this one I'm gonna have to give it to the iPhone. Alright, now for the picture test, well, we all know that a GoPro is really not a camera, like a picture camera. So that being said, it did okay. It would just, I would have probably had to been closer to the subject. But yeah, so I'm just gonna give it to the iPhone on this one because basically it is a camera by itself. As you can tell in the second test, the iPhone definitely has a lower peak volume, so therefore it was more sensitive and you could hear the car better. Whereas the GoPro, it sounded like a bit muffled, and yes, this could have been played a part in me sitting the camera on the ground, because I don't even know where the microphone is on the camera. But even in the first clip, you could hear that it was kind of muffled compared to the iPhone, like in my intro. But so this one, I'm gonna have to give it to the iPhone, even though the peak is lower. On the last test in stabilization, you can definitely see so much shake in the camera from the iPhone. Yes, the video quality does look a little better, like maybe positioning wise. I mean, I'll probably have to zoom in or something if I'm using the GoPro, but overall the iPhone camera was very shaky. So the built-in stabilization, I'm definitely gonna have to give this to the GoPro. So basically, I'm coming to wrap this video up. As you can see, my test proved that the iPhone is a better camera, only I don't think it is, because the GoPro is more for it being versatile. So what I mean by versatile is that the iPhone can't go places where the GoPro can't. The GoPro mount that I have for my car, like, you know, it could go on the inside of the window or it could go on the outside of the car, and it'll be perfectly fine. But if I put my phone on the outside of the window, first of all, I'd be scared of shit. My phone could just fall off and I'd be like, oh, well, now I don't have a phone. GoPro, I mean, yes, it's a camera. It is a rather expensive camera for how small it is, but at the same time, it's like, it's just a camera. It's not your phone. It's not your main source of, you know, talking to people. In perfect lighting situations, I would most definitely use the iPhone, hands down. Because, well, perfect lighting and perfect, like me not moving that much. Like if I'm trying to like go for a car vlog, I would definitely not use this because, as you can see, it shook a lot at the end of the video. All in all, I think the GoPro is a very awesome camera. It's a very good camera for just it being able to do so many different things and just being able to just be small and do whatever you want it to do. My 2 cents is that you have different weapons in your arsenal for different things. So I have my phone for my vlogging or still video or photos or whatever. But I have the GoPro for other, you know, action related things. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, it's your boy, Dirty D. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.